Greetings, all you shenanigamers out there. Welcome back to Universe Sandbox 2. And let us science together, I think, is a good token phrase for this particular video, because I do like to fling planets at things. I do like to see destruction. You know, and I love the suggestions. What would happen if this, and what would happen if that? But one thing that keeps popping up time and time again, revolve, pardon the pun, or orbit around Planet 9. And I think that's a pretty good topic to talk about today, because there's a pretty good chance maybe we'll get some hard science or actual proof of Planet 9's existence, maybe within the year's end. Now, that's just a theory, but I can't say that'll definitely happen. Could be sooner, could be several years, or it might not even exist. But for those that don't know about Planet 9, let's just take off the orbits here for a second and put on some trails. Obviously, we have the known solar system. We have our fantastic main sequence star here, the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and thankfully Earth lives in the lovely Goldilocks zone. Just at the fringe of it is Mars as well. So that's probably going to be our next port of call. We have some minor bodies in there as well, Vesta and Ceres, and then we go to the heavy hitters, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and I'm not forgetting about Pluto as well. So that's our kind of solar system. And there's a huge array, a plethora of other minor bodies in the solar system. We have many moons that aren't represented in this particular simulation for the sake of my poor processor. But the whole kind of idea behind Planet 9 is beyond the Kuiper Belt, okay, beyond kind of Neptune. All these minor bodies have, you know, quite interesting orbits, as you can see. And it's been known for many years that they have these extended orbits, and they kind of seem to pull in the one direction. Okay, so obviously the inquisitive minds of fantastic people out there in the world were trying to reason this, because there's laws, we have a very good understanding of physics and natural sciences and everything like that, so there has to be a reason for it. And we've observed other solar systems within our galaxy as well. So the theory came up about the possibility of a ninth planet, because they extrapolated gravitational effects of other bodies within the solar system and other potential causes of these, as you can see here, these erratic, not erratic, but these extended orbits here, non-elliptical, non-spherical, but more elliptical, extended orbits. So there is a theory out there, and we don't have the hard proof yet, but there's a ninth planet, and that planet has a crazy orbit here. As I'm just going to zoom out here, as you can see, Planet 9 is all the way over here. It has a possible orbit of about 20,000 years. So that's why it's quite elusive. But with the array of telescopes that we have and the understanding out there, again, there's a good chance that if this planet is out there, that we have a good chance of seeing it. Now, with the orbits of these minor bodies mapped and extrapolated, we can assume some things about Planet 9. So in the simulation here, we have Planet 9. As you can see, it's very dark, because we're very far away from the Sun. Okay, now size wise it should sit between Neptune and Earth. About 10 Earth masses is the suggested mass of Planet 9. Now there's only kind of artistic interpretations. Obviously, being this distance, it's got a strong likelihood of being an icy planet. Now I personally think this will be a wondrous discovery, to have an additional planet literally in our neighborhood as a new discovery. I think it would just ignite the curiosity of, you know, average people out there, just like me, just like you, and again promote the fields of astronomy and science and discovery to no end. Because like that, we're all raised with the solar system. You know, I think everyone knows Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. When I was growing up, not that I'm that old, but Pluto was there. Pluto got knocked off the ranks, unfortunately. But, you know, it has been in flux as well. It wasn't until much later when I started discovering about Vesta and Ceres and stuff like that as well. And other kind of minor bodies. But I think this is a great theory. And, you know, something really, really awesome. And I'm going to try and get Planet 9 to swing around here. I don't know if my computer is going to be up to it at all. As you can see, there's quite an oscillation in the orbits here. So as I mentioned, its orbital timeline is about 20,000 years to travel around the Earth, or the Sun, I apologize. So, like, what do you folks think about the Planet 9? What do you think about Planet 9? Do you think it's plausible? Do you think there's a planet out there that we haven't seen before, haven't detected? Do you think there may be more? Wouldn't it be cool? I think the possibility of it's awesome. And this game doesn't seem to be going above and then above kind of 13. So again, processor limitations. Maybe down the line when I put some money into my computer, it'll be a little bit better as well. But let's kind of get a sense of what 10 Earth masses actually means. So let's bring it back into a little bit more normal. We're coming down into the months here. And down into hours. That's fine. So, Earth, 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 Earth. Where are you? You beautiful blue pearl, you. Okay. So, I'm going to pause. Let us add. Orbit is fine, I'd say. Planet 9 should be here, methinks. Planets. Planet 9. There we go. So, obviously, being close to the sun, we get to see it illuminated. So again, an icy planet. Currently only minus 13 here. I think it was about minus 200 and something a ways away. So you can see it's a sizable planet. Just to compare, here is Neptune. And Neptune is 17 Earth masses, 17.1. So it's not like 17 times bigger. It just has a mass of 17 times the Earth. So there's a lot more to Planet 9, but I think this is a nice introductory thing, and I'm going to do some research and maybe do a few more follow-up videos on it. But I'm curious to know what information you have on Planet 9 and what you've come across online, and let me know what you'd like to see in an up-and-coming What If video. And thanks for your support as always, folks. You know, you're amazing at commenting on videos. You know, we always have generally over 100 plus comments on every video, and the likes are phenomenal, and I really appreciate your support. And you know, we're on the path to 20,000. I think that's like that's a pretty freaking major milestone for me, and really can't wait. And yeah, just thanks for this amazing ride over the last couple of months, and thanks to everyone over on Patreon as well, showing me that extra level of support that they feel that they can contribute as well. Not pressuring anybody out there. It's just amazing that people even think that way as well. So again, thanks for promoting future video creations as well. But as always, I've been your local neighborhood Shenanigamer, and thanks for doing some science with me, and I will see you in the next video. But before I go, why not just see what happens here, will we? Will there be any kind of explosions, do you think? Kind of looks like there's going to be. Ooh. Doesn't look good for Earth. Nope. Doesn't look good for Earth at all. So that should bring you up to 11 Earth masses by the end of it. And Neptune's in the prey. So folks, I will see you in the next video. Take it easy, and goodbye.